These succulents have been around for ages but drew more attention after people started referring to them by the book's characters. Differences between Hobbit Jade versus Gollum Jade. These two plants are often referred to as the Tolkien succulents, and they're often confused even by garden centers that sell them. They love warm and sunny sections of your garden. But beware! They're both toxic to pets and humans if ingested. Leaf shape. The Hobbit Jade has small spoon-shaped leaves with curls at the edges. The leaves can grow up to 2 inches. They have a deep green color. The Gollum Jade has longer but narrower, trump-shaped leaves. The leaves have a red color along their edges that becomes more noticeable as the plant receives more sunlight. The red tint can also become more intense during the cooler months. The plant is often called finger plant due to the leaves' shape. Light. Both plants need at least 4 hours of indirect sunlight, but the Hobbit Jade can tolerate low-light rooms. When kept in a shady or partially shady spot, the Gollum Jade leaves become darker green. Outdoors, they can withstand bright sunlight but need to be slowly exposed to it. Optimally 6 to 8 hours of daylight is ideal. Temperature. Hobbit Jade thrives in USDA hardiness zones 9 to 10 and can withstand temperatures as low as 25 degrees Fahrenheit. During such low temperatures, the plant goes dormant, preserving energy. Gollum Jade thrives in much warmer zones, 10 to 11. So it might withstand winters down to 28 degrees Fahrenheit, but it's not cold hardy. During summer, both plants' upper limit is 85 degrees Fahrenheit. They will burn at higher temperatures if exposed to the sun. Hobbit Jade care tips. Planted in well-draining soil, like a succulent mix with added sand. It's a slow grower with no more than 2 inches per year. It reaches up to 3 feet tall and gets heavy. Tends to root rot, water only when the soil is completely dry. A deep soak is best. It stores a lot of moisture in its plump leaves, so if you notice any wrinkling or discoloration, you might be keeping it too thirsty. Fertilize the Hobbit Jade every 2 to 3 weeks during spring and summer with a 50% diluted fertilizer. Stop as fall approaches and during winter. The plant goes dormant in the cooler months, so applying fertilizer can stress it out. Does the Gollum Jade need different care? Gollum Jade requires a slightly warmer environment, but they both benefit from drought and well-draining soil. Hobbit plant as bonsai. Purchase a suitable bonsai pot that will support the fully grown tree. Bonsai is watered by soaking, so check the drainage holes. If they're too wide, the soil might drain with each watering. Cover them with mesh. Install wire going from the bottom of the pot and upwards to hold it. Put a layer of bonsai potting mix and some granular fertilizer. Remove the Hobbit tree from its pot and trim the downwards growing roots. Place the Hobbit Jade in the pot and fill it up with soil. Top with decorative pebbles and place in a south-facing window. Can the Gollum Jade flower? Surprisingly, both can flower. The plants can produce white to pale pink, 5-petal flowers during winter. However, to bloom, the plant has to reach its maturity. This is more common in plants that are over 3 years old. Keep the plants in the same spot with constant light and temperature to encourage flowering. Replicate the natural temperature changes. This means lower night temperature from 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 65 degrees Fahrenheit and lower winter temperature from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Fertilizing during spring and summer provides them with the needed energy for growing flowers. While comparing Hobbit Jade versus Gollum Jade, it becomes clear why most people confuse them. Whichever you choose, you won't go wrong. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.